Hey guys, if you're getting some kind of flickering on your LG TV screen, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So the very first thing we're going to do is just reset our television. Now to do this, what you need to do is head over to the back of the television and you need to locate the power cable that runs from your television to your power supply. Once you've located the plug that powers up your TV, we're just going to remove this from the power, and you need to leave this unplugged for around about 30 seconds. Now it's important that you actually unplug it from the main power supply like so. If you just turn off the TV via the remote control, then this isn't going to perform the kind of reset that we need. So make sure that you've unplugged it from here, and then we're going to head over to the physical television, and you just need to locate the power button on your television. Now every TV model has this button in a different location. For my television, it's located directly under the LG logo here, but it could be on the sides or on the back of your television. And once you've found this power button, we're just going to hold this down for 15 seconds. And this is going to drain any residual power left in the television. Now, once we've done this, we can come back over to the power supply, and then we can put the plug back in the TV. And then you can try powering up the TV and checking if that's now fixed the issue. If that's still not working, another thing that we can do is once again come round the back of the television, and we just need to ensure that all of our HDMI ports are connected properly here. So if you have a loose connection or a faulty HDMI cable, this can also cause this flickering issue. So just make sure all of these are secured tightly, and you can even try replacing the cables to see if that fixes the issue. Then what we're going to do is head over to our actual television and just grab your television remote. From here, you need to bring up the settings window. Now you can either do this one of two ways. You can either press the home button on your TV remote, and this is going to bring up the LG home screen. And then from here, you can just use the arrow keys to come over to this top navigation and then come over to the settings icon and press OK. Or alternatively, we can just head over to the remote and you can press the settings icon directly from here, and this will bring up the settings window. From the settings menu, we need to scroll all the way down to all settings. Inside of here, come over to picture and use the right arrow key to come across. Come down to advanced settings and press OK. And then we need to scroll down to reset and select this. And as you can see, all current settings for standard mode will be reset. Do you want to continue? Press yes. And then once you've done that, we can head back over to the settings, and we're going to come back over to the main navigation. This time we want to scroll all the way down to support, and once again press the right arrow key, and then you're just going to head down to screen self-diagnosis. And this will bring up the screen diagnostic page, and then we can just follow the instructions on the screen to try and diagnose any screen issues. So I can simply go through the steps on my screen here. I'm going to press yes and then just select OK. And if any issues are detected, it will go ahead and repair them for you automatically. And if you have tried all of the steps in this video and you still are getting the flickering issue, then there could be an issue with the actual television hardware itself, and it may require a new screen or some sort of internal component that will need to be carried out by a professional. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.